Hello everyone, I'm going to show you guys today how you guys can go ahead and finish your albums in your Monopoly Go app. Now this is very simple, so let's get right into it. So first of all, you want to open up your app, and you're going to make sure that you're not skipping any steps here. And now what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to go open up your 3 lines on the top right corner. And this is going to show you a bunch of your things, but you're not going to need that right now. So first what you want to do is you're going to click on your album. So now that you're here, I just want to let you know, if you have any duplicates, you should sell them, because once you sell them, what you can do is you click on the bottom right corner. And the more you sell, the more stars you get. And if you get a bunch of stars, you're going to be able to get rewards. And those rewards can include getting more cards. So what you can do is you can recycle your duplicates and possibly get even more cards. And now what you're going to do is, after that, you're going to go ahead and let's just make sure you sold all your duplicates. Then what you're going to do now is you're going to go to the top right corner and here, and you're going to go to the shop. And there might be somewhere you are able to buy some more cards. So for example, there might be an option here that says spend some bucks to be able to get cards. Now this may not appear, as you can see, it's not appearing for me. But you gotta just be on the lookout, because you might be able to purchase some mystery cards with your cash. Now that that's out of the way, something else you can go ahead and do is, after you've done all that, just make sure you're playing a lot of games. So that's mainly the way you get your cards. But if you, if everything else I mentioned previously fails, you can just keep playing to try and gather your cards, and just keep selling your duplicates. But that'll be everything, so thank you very much for watching.